Good day to all the listeners. Our project is based on smart garbage monitoring and cleaning system. As we all know that hygiene state has been tremendously undergoing degradation due to increase in the population, especially in civic areas. Spillover of waste causes pollution. So there occurs the requirement of smartness based waste management system that checks the waste level over the dustbins using sensor systems in order to mitigate the garbages. In smart cities, IoT infrastructure has been on top for the services provided in the waste management. The efficient waste management system has a great impact on quality of life of citizens. The system is designed in order to collect and deliver data through the wireless mesh networks. The main objective of this project is to design a smart bin system in order to identify the fullness of the wastage bin, to reduce the power consumption and also to maximize the operational time. By using these literature surveys, we have analyzed critically and concisely the latest researches in order to build the smart garbage monitoring and cleaning systems. When we analyze the system, we could observe that in the existing system, traditionally wastage bins are emptied at certain intervals by the cleaners. There arises a problem that this leads to overflowing of garbage bin and causes widespread pollution and also releases harmful chemicals. Whereas in existing system, disposal of waste to the nearest drain causes a problem that it may become a challenge in order to maintain a clean city and also to promote the spread of diseases. In the proposed system, routing solutions for collection trucks is an example for waste collection planning and implementation, whereas routing according to the type of waste is an example for transportation of waste to the specific locations. In the block diagram, we could observe that the step-down transformer reduces the voltage from primary to secondary, whereas in the bridge rectifier, alternate pairs of diodes conduct, changing over the connection so the alternating directions of AC are converted to the one direction of DC. The signals are then processed by the filter circuit in order to remove the unwanted frequency components from the signals. Hence, the regulated DC output is very smooth with no ripple. In Arduino Uno, we could observe that there are various sensors connected. For example, IR sensor, when the TX is forward biased, it begins emitting the infrared. When IR is incident upon RX, the resistance decreases sharply in order of a few kilo ohms or even lesser. Hence, this feature forms the basis of using IR as a sensor over here. Whereas the ultrasonic sensor measures the distance to an object by using sound waves, and it sends out a sound wave at a specific frequency and listens for the sound wave to bounce back. To the Arduino Uno, UART, an individual part of integrated circuit which is used for serial communication, is also connected. In the receiver unit, we could observe that Internet and Wi-Fi router plays a very vital role. In the circuit diagram, we could see that there are various sensors that are connected to the Arduino Uno, and there occurs a power supply unit in which step-down transformer, bridge rectifier, filter circuit and voltage regulator has its vital role, and driver circuit and UART in which they are connected to the motor and the GSM. In the flowchart of working, we could observe that if the process start, check whether the dustbin is full. If yes, send the message to the control room, send cleaning vehicle for cleaning, update the status of dustbin, and again the process is repeated. If after checking whether the dustbin is full, if the answer is no, then the same process is repeated again until the dustbin becomes full. IR sensor and ultrasonic sensor plays a vital role in which ultrasonic sensor measures the distance to an object by using the sound waves. The rain sensor module can be used as switch when raindrop falls through the rainbow. Whereas the gas sensor, in which the electrodes functions when a gas is detected, due to its high sensitivity, it gives us warning signals as electric currents. This is the hardware photo of your project. Arduino Integrated Development Environment software and Proteus 8.0 of the softwares used in this project. The outcome of this project are this can be upgraded using artificial intelligence, and the pollution can be controlled, and it can be durable by making it compact and cost efficient. All the components and control unit can be embedded on the bin, and also it reduces the operational cost with minimum supervision. As a result, we could observe that the functionality of system has been performed correctly, and in all flat, residential and commercial areas, the proposed system is suitable due to its reliability, reasonable cost and practicality. Hence, as future scope, implementation of GPS module for path planning is combined with ultrasonic sensor in order to avoid obstacles, and the transported waste can be recycled and reused in order to produce the biogas, which is a blooming source of fuel. From all these papers, the references are made in order to build smart garbage monitoring cleaning system. Thank you.